In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a file in a Fusion 360 project, whether you are cleaning up old design iterations, removing accidental uploads, or simply organizing your workspace for a new year of modeling. Knowing how to properly manage your data is essential. Fusion 360 handles files a bit differently than your standard desktop computer because it uses a cloud-based storage system called Autodesk Fusion Team. This means the process for deleting files involves a few specific steps that might not be immediately obvious if you are just looking at the workspace. If this video helps you get your projects organized, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Fusion 360 tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Fusion 360 application and ensure you are in the main design workspace. To find your files, you need to open the Data panel. This is located at the top left corner of the screen and is represented by a grid icon that looks like 9 small squares. When you click this, a sidebar will open on the left showing all of your hubs and projects. From this sidebar, you must select the specific project that contains the file you want to remove. Double-click the project folder to open it. Once you are inside the correct project, scroll through the list to locate the file name you wish to delete. Instead of just clicking the file itself, look at the file tile. You will notice a small arrow icon localized in the bottom right corner of that tile. Go ahead and click that arrow. A small menu will expand, and from the list of options, you need to click on View Details on the web. At this point, Fusion 360 will trigger your default internet browser to open. You will be redirected to the Autodesk Fusion Team web interface. This web portal provides deeper management tools for your cloud storage that are not always available directly inside the desktop app interface. Once the page for your specific file loads in your browser, look for the file name at the top of the screen. Right next to the file name or in the top right utility area, you will see a 3 dots menu icon, which represents more actions. Click those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. Toward the bottom of this menu, you will see the option to Move to Trash. Click that option. A confirmation box might appear asking if you are sure you want to move this item to the trash bin. Simply confirm the action. It is important to note that moving a file to the trash doesn't immediately permanent delete it, giving you a safety net if you change your mind. However, it will now be removed from your active project list and your data panel inside the Fusion 360 desktop app. Keeping your workspace clean is the best way to ensure your computer and the software run smoothly without being bogged down by thousands of old assets. If this guide helped you clear out some space today, please show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Keeping your projects organized is key to efficient design, and we are here to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.